Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. And today is weather very cool and interesting, and I think
Cloudy.
cloudy. And today we are here another topics like vocabulary practice. And now today I make sentence on these vocabularies and keep practice with me, keep sentence with me, and keep sentence, make sentence with me, and write down on chat box. Then it will definitely helpful for you, for everyone, for beginner. So let's start today's video.
Let's get into the video.
Into the video.
Okay, so I'll share words. He has to make sentences, and the same you have to do. Okay, so the first word is worry,
Worry. Worry, it means
panic,
panic,
tension.
tension. Okay. Okay. Oh. Sometimes I feel worry when I ride a bike without helmet.
You feel worried.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other sentence if you can share?
Because I am very habitual of helmet. So
Hmm.
that's why. Hmm. Second, next,
Hmm.
worry. Beginners feel very worried when they meet an eloquent speaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
When they meet an eloquent speaker. Okay, they are worried, nervous, they feel
Hmm.
tensed. Okay. Any other sentence if you can share?
Other sentence. Not.
Okay, you're not getting any other.
I'm not able to make any sentence right now.
Okay. Okay. That is why I ask you to keep practicing whenever you have even very small words also in front of
Yeah, I did practice, but right now I forget.
you. Okay. So let me share next word with you, and that is warrior.
Warrior. Okay. In India,
Hmm.
there are many people. They are warrior. No. In India, ladies and gentlemen are very warrior.
Okay.
Hmm.
Any other sentence?
Okay. A warrior is always ready to fight with enemy.
The enemy is right.
Yeah.
Any other sentence if you can share?
Not
Try at least. Okay. The next one is dignity.
dignity.
Hmm.
Okay. In our country, uh, there are many types of dignity.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Any other sentence?
If we work hard and want to success, so dignity is vital role.
Dignity plays a vital role.
Play is a vital role. Yes.
Any other?
Any other? Never lose dignity in any tough time.
Your dignity in tough times, right?
Yes.
The next is pretend.
Pretend. Okay. Sometimes I feel very tired. That time I pretend to some work and some other activity.
Pretend. You pretend some work. What do you mean by that? Pretend means kind of you are showing something else. You are pretending. You are just.
Okay.
That's not
She
true.
she kn- she know she know everything, but she's pretending to know about truth.
She doesn't know anything, but she pretends that she knows everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. She doesn't know anything, but she pretends that she knows everything.
Kids pretend every time because they never people not people not kids kids yes, kids pretend always because they because they not
In a
those
playful manner. They just pretend in a playful manner.
playful manner.
Hmm.
Okay guys, that's it for today, and we will see you in the next video. with easy words, because these are words very difficult for me, I think, for
Even he decided for himself. Still, he is feeling that these words are difficult. And I'll tell you guys that he didn't perform well today, and I want you to perform well in the comment box. And now I'll take his class.
take care. Bye bye. We will see you in the next video.